Whether the filling machine is automatic or semi-auto, its lifespan is dependent on the daily operation and the environment. If the normal operation and maintenance follow the user manual, the machine can be used for more than 5 to 10 years. However, if it is operated at maximum speed and non-stop for a long time, it may shorten the machine life. The operating environment is also important. If it is too dusty, too humid, or strong acidic and alkaline environment will cause the machine to shorten its service life. The simplest and most important part of filling machine maintenance is cleaning. Not like a car, filling machines do not need to be maintained at a repair shop. Just keeping up with diligent cleaning habits can optimize the machine's life. After each production, clean the machine completely, especially the pump. Check whether any parts are splashed with liquid, especially the adjustable and movable parts. In addition, some of the lifting module, shafts, adjusters need to be lubricated periodically. It is necessary to replace the consumables that are worn out, such as the O-rings and gaskets of the pump. Maintaining your machine not only optimizes its life, but also protects your products. It helps to find aging parts and replace them immediately, to reduce the risk of product contamination. These are the general maintenance for filling machines. Some filling machines need special maintenance. Please contact your supplier for information.